Okay guys, we're going to have a conversation about the colour pink. Hey guys, welcome to Men's Grooming Advice. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe for new videos every single week and take a moment to look at the 100 plus other videos I have on my channel for skincare product reviews and hints and tips. So I want to talk to you about pink. Now just hang on, bear with me, okay? There is a reason for this. Now, this channel is obviously called Men's Grooming Advice, and the majority of the viewers and subscribers are guys. But we also have a lot of the girls follow as well. I've had plenty of comments and lots of DMs from girls following the channel, and we have members of the LGBTQ plus community. Everybody's human, everybody has skin, everybody wants to look better, okay? But there are some people that would feel uncomfortable having bright pink products like this on their shelf. If it's a single guy and you've got things like this on your shelf, you may feel that presents you in a different light to who you really are. I'm not here to judge. Should a colour matter? Absolutely not. Makes sod all difference whatsoever. No bloody difference at all. But do we have to be mindful that some people, some guys, some traditional guys would not necessarily want something bright pink on their countertop, on their bedside cabinet? Yeah, let's be fair. Let's have that conversation. It's not pointing the finger at anyone. It's not saying you should or shouldn't feel this way. I'm just saying that this Glow Recipe product, like all of the Glow Recipe products, are very, very feminine in their presentation. So I'm asking you guys, if that's something that you would normally be put off by, please don't. If you don't want to have these on your countertop, put them away in your bathroom cabinet. Put them in your bedside drawer. Doesn't matter. Don't miss out on having potentially great looking skin because it comes in what is traditionally very female orientated packaging. That's all I'm going to say. I don't want to get in a big conversation with it, okay? I'll just park it there. Glow Recipe is a product range that I've been asked about quite a lot. I've wanted to try for ages. James Welsh is always fanboying over it. Hugely popular on Instagram and TikTok and on Pinterest. I bought a few different products of theirs. I'll do those in separate videos, but I wanted to start with the moisturiser first. Now, as I've just discussed, bright pink. This is the smaller version. There are 2 bottle sizes available. So if you live in the UK like I do, you can't actually buy this on their website. You have to buy it through Cult Beauty. This one is the 25ml version, and they do a 60ml version. It's a pump dispenser. So, I mean, you could see this is actually empty. I've used all this up. It's a watermelon, so it does have a very strong watermelon smell. I'm not personally a fond of watermelon as a smell. I don't mind eating it occasionally, but I'm not a big lover of the smell. But it doesn't stay with you. So you open it. When you pop it on, you'll get a blast of watermelon, which some people may like, others not. But it does give you a nice sort of zesty sort of start to the day. It's a gel type moisturizer, so it absorbs very, very easily. None of the shine. You guys, if you followed me for a while, you know I hate shiny moisturizers. It gives you a glowy look, a healthy look to the skin, but no shine, which is brilliant. It's extremely lightweight. It reminds me very much of a lot of the Korean moisturizers that I love, because it's that feeling that what you're putting on your face is actually doing something. I know that sounds bizarre, but there's so many products I've tried over the years where you read the ingredients and the front is always saying the same: reduce fine lines and wrinkles and all this old garbage. They all use the same script, and you put it on, you think face doesn't feel any different, doesn't look any different. Glow Recipe are one of those product lines that so far all of their products I've used have had a noticeable difference. And now it's particularly inspiring to me because I use so many different products. I'm constantly trying different things. My skin is so used to different products that something has to be a bit special for me to notice a difference. if you understand what I'm trying to say, because my skin is in reasonably good condition, particularly for somebody of my age. So to have something that I feel improves on it is, to my mind, a stand-up product. Now, it's probably not very hydrating for very, very dry skin, but for my combination skin, it works great. I found that using this, I literally felt by midday I had no greasiness, no breakthrough of greasiness, but my face just had a healthier look to it. I don't like going into this all healthy glow and all that sort of thing. I'm not a big fan of those sort of expressions, but it did basically look better. This is actually something that I wish I tried a long time ago, because it's very, very good. I would say that if you're looking for a new moisturizer, and if you have combination skin or slightly dry or oily skin, this will be for you. If you've got very, very dry skin, this probably isn't going to be enough for you, but certainly for combination skin, even my older, drier skin that I get quite dry across my cheekbones, this works really, really well. I go through so many moisturizers and so many products. I buy them, I try them, I review them, bin them, or stick them in the cupboard and never come back to them. This one I've actually used up, and I will buy more, but I'll buy the bigger bottle this time. So this one gets a very, very big thumbs up from me, and I'm told by female friends that it's a great base and that makeup goes over it really, really well. Give this one a go. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'm very surprised how much I like this. This has become one of my hero products. So I hope you found that quick review helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe if you haven't already done so. I've been Bear Clark, you've been amazing, and I'll see you again real soon.